Big breaking news that's coming in this morning. The most wanted terrorist in Jammu and Kashmir and Hizbul's commander in the valley, Riaz Naiko, has been trapped by forces in his native village. This is in Pulwama district. A massive coordinated search operation was launched yesterday. The encounter is underway. A joint team of police, Army's 55 Rashtriya Rifles and the CRPF has launched search operations in Begpora village of Pulwama during night hours. As the joint team of forces approached towards the suspected spot, the hiding terrorists fired upon them, triggering an encounter. The confirmation that we have at this point is that Riaz Naiko is also trapped by forces at this point. Ashraf Wani is joining us with more details on this. Ashraf, what's the latest that you're picking up on this operation? The confirmation has come now that Riaz Naiko is among the terrorists so trapped currently.
Akshita, absolutely. I spoke personally to the Inspector General of Jammu and Kashmir Police, Vijay Kumar, here in Srinagar. He confirmed that Riaz Naiko is trapped in his own village in the Begpora, which is in the Pulwama district of South Kashmir. This operation was launched yesterday evening on a specific input about the presence of Hizbul commander in his native village. Top officers from the police, from the security agencies, from the Army also were monitoring that bit by bit of this operation. Finally, there were searches conducted. Whole area was cordoned off during the night. Early today morning, the search was launched by the joint team of forces. When they approached the suspected spot where it was believed that Riaz Naiko is hiding, there was some exchange of fire. Probably it is believed that Riaz Naiko is trapped with two of his associates, maybe the bodyguards of Riaz Naiko, because Riaz Naiko is the topmost commander of any militant group here in the Kashmir Valley. After the killing of Burhan Wani, he was designated as the chief commander of Hizbul Mujahideen. He was in touch with the public, with the supporters by the video messages on the frequent occasions. He was addressing his supporters in the Jammu and Kashmir through the social media, by the video links and video speeches. So it is believed as the biggest operation of the year so far, in fact, in Kashmir Valley. But the security forces and the police officials only saying unless and until the operation is not over, they can't commit anything on it. But so far they have confirmed that the top Hizbul commander Riaz Naiko is trapped in this encounter which is going on in the Begpora area of Avantipora in Pulwama district.
So this is a big operation, as you pointed out, Ashraf. Based on specific intel, there's a joint operation that's on right now in Pulwama. What you're telling us at this point, Ashraf, is that there are perhaps 3 terrorists. One among them is Riaz Naiko. If you could also give us more details of when this operation kicked off, what is the kind of intel that our forces received?
Basically, Akshita, Riaz Naiko was the most wanted militant commander here in the Kashmir Valley for the security agencies, particularly by putting the social media messages on the WhatsApp. He was just another poster boy for the Hizbul Mujahideen after the killing of Burhan Wani in Kashmir. The security agencies were looking for him, tracking his movements for last so many months, and finally it is the holy month of Ramzan. There was some input with the security forces that probably he is going to come his home, and that intelligence input was tracked by the security forces in the civis. And finally, yesterday, when they got confirmation that he is in the village Begpora, the whole area was cordoned off by the joint team of Rashtriya Rifles, of Army, CRPF and the Jammu and Kashmir Police. And they were just taking all the precautions because they did not want to repeat any kind of mistake what happened in the previous operations where the Riaz Naiko got trapped but managed to flee. Today, when the searches were conducted, there was exchange of fire in the village. The top officers of the security agencies are already on the spot. Still, there is not any kind of a harsh response from the security agencies. They want to take all precautionary measures in mind so that the safety and security of the civilians living in the village could be taken also into consideration. And this operation, if whether takes some time, that is not issue for the government, but they want to neutralize or arrest Riaz Naiku in this operation.
Okay, Ashraf, for the moment, thank you for joining us with details of that operation. Kamaljeet is also joining us with more details on this. Kamaljeet, as Ashraf was pointing out, this is perhaps the biggest operation that we're witnessing right now in the valley in the year, because Riaz Naiku is someone that the forces have been after for the last many years. He's someone who's pretty much the head of terror in the valley.
Yes, he is the face of terror, and remember, the militancy has been changing in Kashmir Valley for over 4 decades now. But yes, Riaz Naiku utilized social media very well. He was into major psychological ops. So this is something that security forces believe is going to be a shot in the arm. We're still awaiting an official confirmation. What we can tell you is that there are reports that Riaz Naiku's mother was ailing and he had gone to meet his family. And now remember, this is one of the oldest modus operandi that the family is usually tracked down. And when he went to return to his village, that is when he was tracked. Now, there was a specific intelligence which was available, and last night there was JCB which was called in. The entire area near the railway track and near the entire area around his house, it was also dug up because there was an input that there could be a tunnel. Security forces did not want to leave any chance. At this point of time, we're talking about militancy, which is peaking around 250 militants being there, at least 100 of them who've come from outside, 30 new recruits. But Riaz Naiku, being the face of it all, was somebody who was motivating, constantly recruiting. Hizbul Mujahideen is obviously an indigenous group. So in that particular sense, if this turns out to be the way security forces are saying, then this is going to be the biggest victory for security forces. All this time, we've also been told he was not trapped in his own house. There was a hideout which was near the Nala. This is where he's been trapped. So gunfight is on. We've also been told perhaps the wait is also because the law and order has to be in place. The internet may have to be shut down in a particular location or the entire Kashmir Valley.
Okay.
Significant because remember, Riaz Naiku had recently also given support to TRF, the Resistance Front, a joint group which was heading Jaish-e-Mohammed, Lashkar-e-Taiba, Hizbul Mujahideen, a new face of terror in all. But it is the concurrence of Riaz Naiku, which was a very important. He's known to be a maths teacher who turned to terror. So clearly it's his link, and obviously the way he known to be a very slippery commander of it all. At least in a dozen encounters, he managed to slip away in the past 2 years.
Okay.
But finally he's been tracked down.
Okay, Kamaljeet, for the moment, thank you for joining us with those details. That encounter is still underway. It started last evening, and we are, of course, getting you all the details that you need to know about this operation. It's a joint operation that's currently on in Begpura in Pulwama.